I'm here again with a new visualization in Grafana, and today we'll see pie charts in Grafana. In the last video, we have already created the bar chart. From the same, we'll turn it into a pie chart. So you just need to edit, change the visualization to pie chart, and now you see only the count. So we need to do some settings, and for those who have not attended the last lecture, this is the query for getting the count of different parts in the same column. Like I have this data part. In that I have three types of part: red, blue, and yellow. From the query, I'm counting parts of each color. If you see this table view, you can see that blue part is 3, red is 6, and yellow is 2. Now we want to represent it on the pie chart. So here you need to select on show all values. So now you see all three values here and here also. You can change the color from here itself. So now it looks nicer. And in the fields, what are shown here, if you select all fields, then it shows this, but we need only the numerical fields. Then the pie chart is of two types in Grafana, that is pie and donut. So I'll select the pie. Slicing, sorting in descending, ascending, or none. Then labels. What you want to show in this pie chart. So we want to show the name, also the value. And there is a unit, we need to delete this. Now you can see the color and the count. Then the list of the colors in list mode or table. List is better. Legends. So in the legends now you are getting value also, but I think we don't want that. So these are the settings in the pie chart. You don't need to select the value mappings. You can select the color from here itself and save. Back to the dashboard. So this is how it looks. You can change the size from here, and this is the dashboard view. And if you want the content like this and want to learn similar software that is not read in a structured way, I have my course uploaded on Udemy. You can check out Node-RED for industrial automation and Industry 4.0. If you want, I will put the link in the description also. Thanks for watching.